Today I'm cooking dal curry. I usually cook a big portion as dal curry can be kept in the fridge for up to a week and it will taste better after a few days. This recipe is for 10 to 12 servings. The ingredients needed are 230 grams of carrot cut into small cubes and boiled for about 30 minutes or until soft. There is a bit of boiled water that used to boil the carrot as well. 300 grams of tomato cut into small cube, 250 grams of red onions cut into small cube, 1 liter of water, 100 ml of tamarind water, 5 stems of curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 3 tablespoons of curry powder, 2 stalks of cilantro, washed and cut into 3/4 inch length, 70 grams of green chili cut small, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 65 grams of garlic pound into paste, 85 grams of ginger pound into paste, 8 pieces of cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 star anise, 4 cardamom pods, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 tablespoon of salt, and 500 grams of chana dal, boiled and ready to cook. The link on how to prepare the chana dal and the full list of the ingredients and the measurements are in the see more link. Heat the pan. Add in all cooking oil and wait for the oil to heat up. Add in the garlic paste and the ginger paste. Give it a stir. Add in all the washed spices, clove, star anise, cardamom pod, and cinnamon stick. Continue to stir for about 1.5 minutes or until ginger, garlic, and the spices release their aroma. Add in the curry leaves and all of the chopped onions. Stir and mix until well combined. The ginger and garlics are getting dry and turning brown at the bottom of the pan. Add in about 100 ml of water. Continue to stir and mix. See, now the bottom of the pan is clear. There are a bit more on this side. Add in another 100 ml of water and stir. The water will help to dissolve the dry garlic and ginger. Now the onion has become soft. Add in all the tomato and give it a mix. Add in the green chili, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and curry powder. Give it a stir and mix for about 30 seconds or until well combined. Add in the ghee. Give it a stir until well combined. The smell of this is really great, so fragrant with all of these spices. Next, add in half tablespoon of salt, carrot with the water that boiled the carrot, and tamarind water. Give it a stir and mix for about 30 seconds or until well combined. Add in 200 ml of water. Cover the pan and cook it for 15 minutes. Stir in between to prevent mixture from burning at the bottom of the pan. After 15 minutes, the mixture is boiling vigorously. The ingredients are soft and well cooked. The gravy has reduced a little and it should be okay. Switch off the heat and leave it aside. Next, use a hand blender to blend the dal directly in the pot. A normal blender can be used as well. Blending the dal will result in a lot of bubble forming like this. If using a normal blender, I recommend to do it in a small portion at a time. Blending in the pot gives a lot of room to accommodate the bubbles. Continue to blend until smooth. Alright, this should be enough. Skim off the bubble with the small strainer. Now I have a dal blended and smooth, ready to cook the dal curry. Put the pot of dal on the stove, switch on the heat, add the mixture into the blended dal. Give it a stir until it is well combined. The consistency is quite thick. Add in 600 ml of water. and stir. Cover the pot and bring it to boil. After 8 minutes, the dal curry has started to boil. The curry is developing bubbles again. Use a small strainer to skim off the bubbles. Give it a stir. See, the dal curry looks so delicious. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious, but it still lacks of a little saltiness. Add in 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Now the dal curry is ready. Switch off the heat. Lastly, add in all cilantro leaves. Stir and we are done. Cover the pot and leave it to set for a minimum of 30 minutes before serving. Alright, after about 1 hour, the dal curry has slightly cooled down and we can dish out and serve. Garnish with some cut cilantro and it's ready to be served. This type of curry is best eaten the next day. Let's eat! Oh wow, delicious! Creamy, smooth and very fragrant. The dal curry can be kept in the fridge for up to a week. Remember to use clean, dry, airtight container. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.